Hey, are you looking for the best headset from Aliexpress? I have fixed the top 5 best Aliexpress headsets of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the headsets are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the Headphone is PunnkFunnk wireless headphone. Recently this headphone price is $18.41. You can easily turn down the music for instant and easy conversation by adjusting ambient sound according to your activity. Best eliminate noise. You can enjoy clear audio for music, games, and calls. The headset is a reliable choice for daily tasks, including making video calls with family or colleagues. You can get navigation, weather, other information through it. You can put your phone in your pocket, and extend your head to the world too. It also has a high-resolution logo, which is a guarantee of exceptional audio quality, which is awarded only to devices capable of producing the most accurate representation of what the artist intended. Unlike other ordinary headphones, it delivers sound up to 84 kHz for the richest listening experience. In real time, it can analyze your audio's low frequencies and instantly increases the bass. It is combined with 40mm dynamic drivers. Bass power is boosted up to 144%. It is provided with a button on the right ear cup of over-ear headphones, which activates bass up. It can be used as a Bluetooth headphone and also can be used with cable mode. It is effective distance as 10 meters and has a detachable audio cable. Its wire length is 1.2 meters. Its sensitivity is 105 plus or 3 decibel and the frequency range is 2.4 to 2.4835 GHz. It is provided with a battery capacity of 300 mAh, which gives working hours of 8 hours with 2.5 hours of charging time. In at number 4, the headphone is Bluedio T7 Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Bluetooth Headphone. Now, this headphone price is $34.83. Based on the Bluedio T6's users' needs, feedback, they made a comprehensive improvement. They added volume buttons to switch songs, improved infrared sensing, added face recognition, and equipped with the audio cable. It is a wireless headphone, and also it is optimized and upgraded new chip solution decreases Bluetooth power consumption and increases its endurance. It supports Amazon Web Series. If you download Bluedio app, you can get access to your Amazon Wireless Series account, to listen tremendous amount of songs, inquiry about weather, news, and agenda, etc. It will become the helper for your daily life, and you can also break in your headphone via app. It is provided with the active noise cancelling technology. You can select strong noise reduction according to your needs. The T7 Turbine series beautifully adopts 57mm fully plating titanium drive units, combining with its own developed vector flow supercharging technology, which makes the sound steady and impressive. Bluedio is provided with the latest face recognition technology, which controls music to pause or play. It is more stable. The music will pause automatically when you take down the headset from your head, and when you wear it again, the music will continue to play. It is provided with a pair of rotating ear cup, which is comfortable to wear. It is also convenient to take the headphones outside with pads flat in your bag, suitcase, trunk, etc. It gives 30 hours of playtime per charge at Bluetooth mode, and under the state that the active noise cancelling function off. You can enjoy your long travel without worrying about the power shortage problem. In at number 3, the headphone is August EP650 Bluetooth Wireless Headphone. Already this headphone is $40.04. August EP650 is a quality product that provides warm rich sound. It provides rich bass, with a clearly defined treble. It uses 50 driver units to provide optimum sound quality for any source. You can enjoy your favorite late night shows without disturbing the house. It pairs in seconds to your TV or Bluetooth transmitter without any noticeable delay between picture and sound. By using the dedicated Android or Apple August Audio EQ app, you can tune these Bluetooth headphones just the way you like. Their premium driver units can reproduce any sound stage you dial without losing fidelity. You can experience the ultimate comfort, with thick and luxurious padding, an extending headband and Comfort Flex earcups, and an amazing lightweight device by purchasing this. It is an over-ear headphone, which makes it a pleasure to wear, even for all-day use. With its 6mm driver units, lows are clear and rich whilst. You can tap your phone to the near-field communication, or you can pair through settings to listen to your favorite tracks in seconds, and for non-Bluetooth devices. It is provided with 3.5mm wired audio, which makes these headphones compatible with almost anything. In at second place, the headphone is Dacom HF002 Bluetooth headphone. Now, its price is $72.88. It has high-fidelity stereo sound. The left and right ears are equipped with 15mm and 40mm double drivers to create a double bomb bass and release high-resolution and naturally smooth sound, hi-fi quality sound. It provides perfect enjoyment for your ears. You will also get the benefits from the dual drivers, 4 speakers and CSRTL dual chip design. It has a retractable headbeam and adaptive earmuff adjustment design. The headphone is equipped with an adjustable headband to fit everybody's head and ear perfectly. Its ear cushion simulates human skin texture, and its protein soft leather ensures lasting comfort and provides excellent durability. It is adopted with the new generation of 5.0 version and supports 24 by 192 kHz lossless audio transmission, compared with Bluetooth 4.2. The transmission speed is faster and more stable. The signal is stronger too, audio and video with ultra-low latency, fully synchronized, and built-in high-quality microphone for hands-free calling. It is provided with a built-in 1200 mAh high-capacity battery. With continuous working hours of up to 85 hours. It gives a standby time of up to 2,400 hours, and you can also use it as a wired headphone with the provided audio cable. So the headphones will never power off. The foldable headband is designed not only for saving your desk space, but also for carrying in the provided bag. It is better to take off the headphones every 1 to 2 hours to get your ears to relax and to get both audio and wearing comfort. In at number 1, the best headphone is Fiio EH3 Noise Cancelling Headphone. Recently this headphone price is $178.27. The EH3 is high-resolution audio certified, and it has also received high-resolution audio wireless certification. It supports the new lossless wireless audio formats. You can get more details in your music than ever, taking your wireless listening experience to a whole another level. Inside the EH3, it has a high-end acceptable daily intake noise-canceling digital signal processor chip. It works in conjunction with a two-way, 4-microphone array, altogether has a feed-forward hybrid active noise-canceling design. This design provides excellent noise cancellation under any kind of situation, even in airplanes and other noisy places. From portable earphones to desktop amplifiers, it has always given the ultimate musical experience. Fiio also has a new generation of acoustic tuning technology that allows it to produce clear and realistic sound with deep and tight bass. And it is also combined with excellent noise cancellation, so you will experience sound you never thought was previously possible. It is different from the typical 40mm drivers used in the same class of headphones. It is provided with the large 45mm drivers with the double-sided titanium-plated diaphragm, which gives dynamic and deep bass. With these drivers, playing your music will give you an extra rush of excitement. It is provided with a built-in near-field communication, which allows the EH3 to quickly communicate with compatible devices via short-range wireless communication. It even supports being woken up and instantly by near-field communication. So, you can easily jump into your music without going through the cumbersome pairing process. Employed on the EH3 has CSR 8675, Qualcomm's flagship Bluetooth chip. It supports Bluetooth 5.0. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.